Hi guys, my name is Niharika. Welcome back to my channel. And if you know me, you know I love Indian jewelry. I love Western also, but I have a huge craze for Indian jewelry. So today I will be sharing 6 of my favorite hacks that I have been following since ever, and yeah, I hope you like it. And if you like it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And most of these hacks are taught to me by my mother, so the entire credit of this video goes to my mother. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of interesting stuff over there, and I will be waiting for all of you on Instagram. So now, without wasting any further time, let's begin. Okay, so my first hack is a Mang Tika, which is actually a necklace. Yes, you heard it right. And what we used to do is, we used to take necklaces like these. We used to take necklaces like these and we used to just partition our hair in the center, like this, in the center. And so after partitioning the hair, just place the Mang Tika where you want it to be, like this, and just secure this Mang Tika using a bobby pin. Okay, you need a lot of bobby pins to secure it. The more bobby pins you use, the more secure your hack is, your Mang Tika is. Okay, you put a bobby pin over here, everywhere, so that even if you dance, the Mang Tika does not come off. And if you are thinking that the Mang Tika does not stay with these kind of chains or something like that, so don't worry, it does stay with it. It does not hamper your necklace, it does not hamper anything, and it stays on for a long while. So yeah, this was my first hack. So the next hack is making a brooch or a brooch out of a earring. Okay, so I have taken this nice tasseled earrings, which is, and a must requirement is that a earring should have this kind of opening. You know, what do you say, opening? Yeah, because if you put it over here or here, the screw earrings just pinch you and poke you wherever you place it. So these type of earrings are very good when you want to make a brooch out of a earring. The next hack is, if you have a bracelet like this, you know, like this, if you have a bracelet, what you can do is, if you are wearing a heavy sari or anything and you have put a bun for it, so just above the bun you can just place it like this, and it will become a beautiful hair accessory. The next hack is a necklace from a pile. Yeah, you heard that right. If you have a single pile lying around in the house and you just don't know what to do, and you know, there are mostly in Indian dresses they are full length and the pile is not been seen. I've found that you can make your pile as a necklace. Yes. So for doing that, you will need a pile and you will need a black dhaga. Okay, you can find this anywhere in general stores. Put this kala dhaga on both the sides of the pile, and I have attached the kala dhaga to the pile like this. As you can see, I have tied a knot here on both sides, and now I'm just gonna wear it. So my last and final hack is a choker from a bracelet. Yeah, this is a very beautiful bracelet that I got from an exhibition. So this looks really nice when you wear it like this, but I think it will look better if I wear it as a choker. And it had loops like this on this end, and it had something like a hook on this end. So in the hook, I've just attached a simple chain in this, and I've just closed the chain on the other hand. And now to wear this, you have a loop on the chain, the hook on the chain and the loop on the bracelet. You have to tie them together. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep smiling.